how to see mutual friends on Snapchat. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply see the mutual friends on Snapchat. So what you have to do is follow these simple steps. Open up the Snapchat application. Afterwards, opening this application, this is the type of page that will appear. Now go into the profile or menu or page that is at the left corner, upper corner. Tap on your profile picture or that bitmoji. Once you tap on it, a new page is going to appear. That is your profile. So this is my profile where I can see things. So in the friends option, I'll have two further options: add friends and my friends. So I'll go into the add friends option. When you arrive on this page, you see there are certain people who have added me by either through my Snapchat code or Snapchat username or any other by searching me. Below that, there is this quick add option in which I have different people. So, for example, I have this person TT. So, this tells me that this has 3 plus mutual friends. But when I'm going to tap on this and open his page up, I'll see no friends. This is because Snapchat doesn't allow us to show mutual friends that who actually those friends are. But you can know that this person has 3 plus mutual friends or 4 plus or 5 plus or any other amount. And this suggested for you. These might be the people who are mutual friends or other people both of you know or have affiliation with. So this is how you see mutual friends on Snapchat. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.